Florists once deemed the silver-lace polyanthus group fit only for the rubbish heap. I wouldn't listen to the naysayers. It's a beautiful addition to the shade garden and was the first silver-lace group to become available to the nursery trade. I love that the cultivar name Penumbra is, according to Merriam-Webster, the shadow cast by the earth or moon over an area experiencing a partial eclipse. It also means the partially shaded outer region of the shadow cast by an opaque object. Both describe the flowers perfectly. These primroses have exceptionally lengthy bloom times. Some years, they may flower deep into summer in our cool maritime climate. Happy gardening!